We always had high expectations of ourselves. The rest of the world didn't believe that we can do it. FIFA helped us to prove to the rest of the world that we have the capacity. I never doubted our inherent capacity to be a very, very successful country. We already are, but we can become much more successful. I think there is a challenge of how to use the infrastructure creatively henceforth. The stadiums will be more difficult. The roads we'll use. The new facilities we'll use, but the stadiums, to fill these big stadiums, I think will demand a specific challenge. I think a few things can be done in this regard. Different types of sport should start working together. And when there's a really big event which needs, where there's a need for more tickets than normal venues can provide, we should use these big venues. I think the managements of these various new stadiums need to be creative in the form of inviting new teams to play which wouldn't have come to South Africa otherwise. A suggestion was made this morning that Bafana and the South African Soccer Federation should now arrange for Bafana to play against international teams in each of the new stadiums, so that all South Africans within their region can have the opportunity to see Bafana play, not on television, but in person. So I think good ideas are required, but surely we have the capacity.